Take 2 hours. Hi, this is Ed from Mr. C's Auto Mart. Back to you guys again. This is a Colorado Red 2015 Jeep Renegade Latitude. So it's got the 18-inch Latitude wheels, silver aluminum with the dark gray inserts, the 2.4-liter engine, the optional one. This is very, very good on gas. You're talking about 32 miles on the highway. It's got the cheap 7-slit grille. Nice little Jeep emblem there. Black vertical roof rails. Rear tinted glass. Front window rain guards. It's got molded mud flaps as we pan around the car. We'll go to the back compartment if I can get it open. It's got rubber floor mats, but you see rubber molded floor mats. And then we have your full-size spare, if I can get it open here. Then we have fold-down rear seats. So these seats fold down to extend your cargo space. As such, here's your rear seat. The Jeep embossed premium cloth leather, or premium cloth, and embossed with the Jeep logo. Seats fold down. We'll finish panning around the car. Renegades have those spiffy tail lamps. It's got a power driver's seat, a power lumbar, manual passenger seat with a height adjustment. It's got the Jeep emblems and the dashboard. This is a front wheel drive. Power front driver's seat, power lumbar. It's got 115,000 miles. We're going to have this advertised for $11,988. It's got cruise, Bluetooth, and trip on the steering column. There's your radio with your Bluetooth, the compass, rear backup camera, media ports, automatic climate control. So I'd invite you guys to come by and take a look. Visit the website, MrC'sAutomart.com, or call me at 708-473-2014. Thanks.